Hey guys, Dan Burgess here. In this short video, we're gonna be learning how to say there is or there are, and that is going to be I, the first word that we see on the screen. And then we're going to learn a vocabulary list of things in the house. And then we're going to use them together, and we are going to say things like, in my house there are 7 windows, or in my house there is 1 bedroom. So let's do it. So there is or there are is going to be I. And it is pronounced I, not hey or anything like that, right? The H is silent, we just ignore it. And A is always pronounced A in Spanish. And Y, when it's at the end of a word, is pronounced E. So everything together, I. And I is both there is and there are. In English, we use there is for singular, as in there is a chair. And then we have to use there are for plural, as in there are 3 chairs. In Spanish, I will not change. Hay una silla, hay 3 sillas. I stays the same. So let's learn some things in the house. Here are some of them. The bedroom is going to be el cuarto. The living room is going to be la sala. The kitchen is going to be la cocina. The bathroom is going to be el baño. The closet will be el armario. The door is going to be la puerta. The window, la ventana. The table, la mesa. The chair, we already saw this one, la silla. The sofa, el sofá. The bed is going to be la cama. And the apartment is going to be el apartamento. Very important to pronounce every single syllable. Again, el apartamento. Let's use I with things in the house. So I'm going to say things like, in my apartment there is this, or in my apartment there are whatever. So for that, I will say, en mi apartamento hay. And again, we don't have to modify it for plural. In English, we would have to say there are for like 3 windows, for example. In Spanish, it will be I for 1 or for 3. So here are some things in my apartment. So, en mi apartamento hay 2 cuartos. En mi apartamento hay una sala. En mi apartamento hay un baño pequeño. En mi apartamento hay una cocina mediana. En mi apartamento hay 2 camas. En mi apartamento hay 2 sofás. En mi apartamento hay una mesa y 2 sillas. En mi apartamento hay 3 armarios. En mi apartamento hay 7 ventanas. En mi apartamento hay 4 puertas. So now I'm going to ask you to pause the video and try to do the same thing and tell me about all the things in your apartment. I will ask you in Spanish, ¿qué hay en tu apartamento? So that was it for today. If you want to take Spanish classes with us, check the links in the description. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.